When people think of New York State, they think of the Big Apple. But Albany is the heart of the state. We have the history, the politics, and most importantly, Albany has community. But like in all communities, some people face serious problems, and that's why the Legal Project was formed. For women, it can take up to 7 attempts to escape a bad situation. In civil court, where domestic abuse cases are handled, justice costs money. There's a gap in our legal system where people can fall through, and that's where the Legal Project steps in. No hourly rates, no billable hours, and no barriers.
If I could change one thing in the law protecting abuse victims, I think it really would be to ensure that everybody has access to an attorney. You know, the rights about custody of children, about ability to be protected from abuse, or even about divorce, the dividing up assets that a couple has worked on during a marriage. All of those are also very important rights and very life-changing rights. And we have laws there to protect people, but if we don't give people realistic access to those laws through an attorney, then those laws really don't have any effect.
Okay, I initially contacted the Legal Project because I had an issue going on that I needed legal representation. At every step of the case, you know, as it progressed, I realized that I was not only informed or told what they wanted to do with the case, I was very, very involved. My Legal Project experience was winning my case. Because, you know, when you go into the court and you have a case going on, the outcome of it, you want to be the winner of whatever case you're working on. And yes, that was the best part. At the end of it all, we won. And yes, I love that. The only way I felt very comfortable with repaying them was to get involved and see how I could contribute as well to help people who are going through the same kind of issue that I had, to see how I could better, it's like a pay it forward, you know. That's what that's my whole thought process. I need to help somebody who is going through the same thing that I went through.
Hi, I'm Neil Breslin. I'm your senator from the Capital District, and I've been the senator for 28 years, and I'm now planning my retirement. And those 28 years, I've had the benefit of dealing with the Legal Project and witnessing what they do firsthand. And to me, it can be best described as there are a lot of agencies that assist people in need. People go to different courts or different legal problems. This Legal Project does things for specialty reasons. They solve problems that other agencies can't. And I have witnessed what they do for all 28 years. And they're a little older than I am at 30 years, but let's continue because we want to make sure there's justice for everyone. And the Legal Project is moving us in that direction.